Terrible. What's up, everyone? It's your boy Gimpy. We're back here with another video. I got the boot on, busted my ankle, but we got a bunch of shit that we need to do still, so we're gonna try and knock some stuff out. I got my rolly chair, we're rolling around, and so last video we took the car to, I'm stuck. No. All right, so in last video, we got the car ready, took it to the body shop, and Gary got the frame rail all straightened out, and we got the bash bar all dialed in for the rear too. The bash bar is on. We got this quarter panel. I still have to sand it. And that's what we're gonna work on today, is getting this quarter panel looking somewhat better. So, the frame is no longer bent. Got it painted up for us too. A lot better. The bar is now straight again, equal to the headlights. All right, so it's been a couple days since the last time I was up here. The last thing that we were doing was trying to roll this fender. And I went to go put the fender roller up there, and it just wouldn't want to fit because of how low the car is. I tried unbolting the coil to drop the suspension. That didn't do it, so we got to do a little modification to the fender roller itself, because I want to use the fender roller because it would give it a little bit more of an even roll than hammering. And I just got it and I want to use it. So, but we're back here. I got my DA finally working, so I don't have to use the electric one anymore. But just sanded up everything. Going to get some Bondo mixed up and start laying it on this thing. I want to try and have this car completely sanded and like ready for primer, hopefully by like next weekend. I'm still in the boot, but starting to feel a little bit better, so start coming up here more often while I have the time off and busting this thing out, because drift season is right around the corner and I have to put an engine in and do a bunch of stuff to this car yet, and so we gotta get the ball rolling. All right, we'll mix up some Bondo.
You just want your upper body. You don't want people to see your foot, right?
No, we don't need to show my legs.
What's wrong with your... What's that, guy?
That is being stupid, is what that is.
All right, Matt, what are we doing here?
Filling some holes.
Filling some holes.
Yup, filling some holes.
So I thought I needed. Thought I needed. So I thought I needed.
She's gonna need a couple coats. All right, so while we wait for the Bondo to dry, we got to modify this fender roller because it's too long. So basically where this nut is that holds that piece in place, I'm gonna cut it back like right there, and then take that nut or find a new nut and weld it on it lower, and then I'm gonna take the same amount and cut it down lower so this slides in farther, which would make our ability to bring it down so that we can actually get the rolly part on the fender. So I'm gonna do that right now.
You make you make
All right, we got the fender roller up there. Trimming it down actually worked, and seems like it will go pretty good now. So gonna roll that lip up and try and fix this debacle here. Put a second coat of Bondo on, so waiting for that to dry so I can sand it, but let's get to rolling. All right, so got it all rolled up. I actually started it with the fender roller and then I finished with the hammer. This portion right here wasn't coming out as I thought it would. I thought it would pull this out a little bit, but it didn't. But it's good enough. I'll put some Bondo over that spot, and then I'm gonna go on to the other side and do the exact same thing.
Terrible mistake. Instantly messed up.
Out here mobbing. You're an asshole.
No, it's this. This is my guess.
Boom.
That's what you need.
Look at these freaking clowns right now. What happened, Justin?
My fuel pump stopped working.
That's it.
What stopped working? The fuel pump won't turn on.
Dragging a drift car with a drift car. Just another day around here. Watch it start.
No, the fuel pump's not coming on.
But that would be funny if it started right now when it was in the shop.
Well, dude, I was trying to get him to push me. I'm like almost at a dead stop in the middle of fucking 26 mile road. I'm literally just like, I'm like, dude, fucking push me, bro. And then as soon as he starts pushing me, it fired back up. And then I ripped through first and second gear just trying to get back here, and then it just shut off again.
We have this big dent on this side right here. I don't know if you can see it through the camera. Can you see it through the camera?
If you move your hand, maybe.
All right, well, take my word for it. There's a really big dent right here, and I'm not gonna Bondo it. So, been seeing online all those Asian dudes using glue sticks to pull dents out. So we got a pack of glue sticks, and we're gonna glue them to the car and see if it pulls out the dent. Who knows? Maybe we might be onto something here, or those Asian dudes are onto something. Ugh. All right, moment of truth.
It made the noise.
Did it work?
No.
No.
You gotta get it higher.
I think you might have to heat the metal up.
Oh, you gotta
We'll
heat it all
reconfigure and do this
up. Heat the
again.
metal.
Take two.
More heat.
And more glue.
They're gonna be drippy. Oh baby.
Sick. Oh, oh, you got. That's
Oh
funny.
yeah.
That's loose.
That's perfect. He's blowing on. You guys see that? That's good stuff.
All right, we'll let this dry and try again.
I think you got it too hot.
I mean,
I think
it's
good
turning
once it dries.
It's
clear,
gooey.
so like, it might adhere a little better now.
Yeah, you're gonna have good suction on this one.
Well, maybe. We'll see.
All right, so we just went and got some food. We let this like completely dry, and we're gonna give it a go and see if it works.
Oh.
Made the noise.
Dude, is it gone?
It seemed like it came out a little bit.
Yeah.
So it's pulling it out, but it's just popping right back into place.
Yeah.
Maybe you can't yank it like that. Maybe you should do like a couple individual ones and just try and like evenly like pull these four corners out. Like,
Yeah, because maybe your problem is the outer side. You have to get out.
Trial and error.
A lot of air.
A lot of error.
out of there for sure.
All right. Well.
You gotta try to pull that off.
Well, tried a couple times and it'll pull it out, but it doesn't stay. It just keeps popping in. Now I got this goober of glue on there I have to get off. But we got the other side all bondoed up. And I'm not gonna bore you guys with sanding it, so this is gonna be it for this one. Peace out.
And it feels like